Have you ever wanted to know how to pack your freediving fins so they'll be safe when you're travelling by plane, train, ferry or bus? That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. Plus, some packing tips you won't find anywhere else. Before we get started, if you're flying, it's a good idea to check your airline's baggage requirements because some airlines will allow you to take your freediving fins on board as carry-on luggage. Not all will, but check anyway. So I have here a C4 spearfishing bag. It's a good robust bag. It's over 106 centimetres long. It's too long for me, so I'm going to have to get something shorter. But whatever I get, the packing method will be exactly the same. Right, so let's open the bag up. There's a bit of space in there. First thing we need is a rubber weight belt. I say a rubber weight belt because if you use a canvas weight belt, it doesn't have the same flexibility as rubber belts, which is nice and stretchy. And being nice and stretchy, it has a bit of give and take, so it won't cause any damage towards wrapping. So first of all, we put the rubber weight belt across the middle of the bag so that we can do it up later on. Next thing we need is a towel. I recommend a beach towel because they happen to be longer, wider, thicker, and they can be folded over to provide more cushioning. So we take the beach towel and put it right down the end of the bag. And we put it at the bottom of the bag, try to put it up the bottom of the bag so that you have the towel up the end of the bag and will provide cushioning to the end of the blade. Right, now this part's a bit too long, so we'll just fold it over. Now take our first fin, okay, standard freediving fin, and place blade toward the bottom of the bag, foot pocket toward the head of the bag. Put it right down the bottom so that the end of the fin, so the end of the blade is against the towel, which is cushioning the bottom. Right, now there are two ways we can go from here. If we're travelling with a two-piece wetsuit, open sail, closed sail, just about a bitch. If these are high-waisted, closed sail freediving pants. You take the widest part of the pants and we put them down over the end of the blade. Right down the inside, they're protecting the blade. The legs we put up around each side of the foot pocket. Now if you're not travelling with a two-piece wetsuit, take this out, put it away. So what you can do is you can take something like a thermal vest, which we always travel with, and place that down, waist end first, right end first, down toward the blade. That's a bit short. So then we can take our freediving socks, neoprene socks, put them there and there. Gloves, put those down toward the bottom of the blade. So you've got cushioning under the blade, you've got cushioning on top of the blade. We take our second fin, blade toward the head of the bag, foot pocket toward the end of the bag. So we pack our fins with one facing up, like so, one facing down. Foot pocket to blade, blade to foot pocket. Now once again, there are two ways we can go. If you're travelling with a two-piece wetsuit, you can take the jacket and fold it over so that the arms are inside with the foot, and place that thickest part over the blade. take the tail and waist end and put that down toward the foot pocket. And there you have the widest part of the wetsuit over the blade. If you're not travelling with a two-piece wetsuit, say travelling with a 3-metre steamer, which is what we do when we travel overseas to the tropics, we can take the steamer, put the shoulders and arms up the end of the blade end, and the feet down with the foot pocket. It's all a bit finicky, but it's worth it because you're providing a lot of cushioning for the blades and you're keeping them safe from damage. So you can use this with carbon fins, you can use this with plastic fins, you can use it with fiberglass fins. Fold that down like that. The whole idea is to pack your fins with cushioning on the bottom, in the middle, on top, and at each end. And that way they can't get damaged. Okay. Now what we do is we take the brake belt, which we place up first, and just do it up loosely. Loosely at this stage because we want to put a couple of other things in. Okay. Snorkel, put that down the side under the belt. Dive knife. You can wrap this up in a towel, tea towel, something like a tea towel, take that in. You can also wrap things like scissors or anything you can put in carry-on luggage. You can put that in with your driver's knife. And then place it down the other side of the bag under the weight belt. Now you probably find you've got a lot of space up the top of the bag. You can pack anything you like there. Could be extra clothes. What we do is we have one of these salt bags, which is waterproof. And we put maybe a towel, sunglasses, hat, sunscreen, water, whatever. We take that with us on a boat, or when we have to go out to shore, leave some stuff on shore. So we pack this at the top of the bag. And then we close it up. And don't forget, when you get one of these fragile stickers, it really does make a difference. So that's pretty much how to pack a bag to keep the fins safe and pretty much everything else from moving around.